Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have been seeing my Instagram, then you would know that I've been getting crazy amount of parts for the Aerox, and if anyone wants, you can actually ping me on Instagram. I can get whatever you'll need. So today I've got quite a few stuff. So the first install of the day is this. This is the keyless system for the Aerox, and it's been imported and it just arrived. So watch the time lapse and enjoy the build. See you. So first things first, to install the keyless system you need to get rid of this. You need to also open this panel, the whole side, if I'm not wrong. And it is a complicated install. I mean, the panels are complicated. You got to remove everything. So once that is done, it is easy to install. Also, I'll be installing the windshield in another video, so stay tuned for that as well. So the test fit is done, and if you see, the keyless system is installed, and this is the key, and right now the key is off. So long press it, the light turns green, the key is on, and that's the system that went on. And now the handle is unlocked, and this thing for the seat and the fuel. So yeah, you see the fuel lid opened and the seat also opened. Let me just close that, and this is the ignition. The ignition is on. Again, put it off, do that, and if somebody shakes the bike even when the handle is not locked, the alarm will ring. So yeah, as you see that, the alarm is ringing. So that is how it works. I still need to get it perfect because I myself don't know much about it. So just watch the assembly video now. So the install is finally done. I've left this bracket open because I'm going to install the windshield, and that you can see in the next video. So I have the key in my pocket and the key is on. If you can see the green light, the key is on. All I have to do is click that, and handle lock works fine. It's off now. It's got a 5-second delay, and now it's on. Pretty simple. Your seat and fuel, everything is like original, and this is the off position. And after I put it off, I'll just move away. I'll keep the key here. As you heard it, that thing is gone off, and now I don't have a key with me, and the thing is not switching on. So that is what is the keyless system actually, because you don't have to press any buttons to switch on your system. Now that the key is in my pocket, it recognizes that, and you can. I still need to learn how to use this, but this is how it is: off, on, and the ignition, This is the handle lock, and I leave it like that, and in 5 seconds the thing should automatically lock. 5 or 10 seconds if I'm not wrong. Yeah, see, you heard that. Again, it's on. Let me just keep the key here. Just keeping the key there. It's off. You heard it. And now it doesn't work. So that is how this thing works, guys. And this is a system that I somehow found, but it is a very expensive one, and I'm trying to pick up a cheaper one for sale. Let's see if I can get one. So if you need this, you can just DM me on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to figure out a way to get this for you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, watch out for the next video, because I'll be installing the touring windscreen, and you can see that I have not yet fixed the front panel. That is because I'm going to put the touring windscreen. So in the next video, look out for the touring windscreen installation. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.